Hey everybody. Hey, it's Corey from CountryFamily. Hey, today I want to talk to you about my new project. I have a pole barn that I'm going to put up. It's going to go right here behind the house. And this first part, I trimmed some of my maple trees and stuff, getting ready for it. I'll throw up my floor plan here for you to see what I'm building. It's going to be a nice wood shop on about a third of it, and a metal fab shop on one end, and of course I need to leave room for my wife to park her truck. So anyways, that's gonna go right here. It's gonna be 32 by 48, 10-foot sidewalls. It's gonna have 8-foot lean-to on the back side, so I can park my tractors in there. And then you see my old truck here. That's one of the reasons why I need my shop built, is so I can get going on restoration on that. So if you've seen some of my other videos where I do some woodworking, that shop is way out there in my father-in-law's backyard. So it's quite a ways away. Just not convenient for, especially in the winter time. It's not heated and stuff. This one I'm going to put in-floor heat in, I hope. At least get the tubing in and have it ready to go for a later date, I guess. So I hope you hit the subscribe button if you are not subscribed already, so you can follow along with my progress. I'm going to start the erecting poles here real soon. Today's April 6th, and it was snowing like crazy today here in Michigan, so I need the weather to get a little bit nicer to get going on this. You got a lot of site prep to do, and that'll be the next video. So keep watching and come back for more. Thanks.